All right, let's get something straight. I'm Laura Gachega, CEO, entrepreneur, and professional negotiator. I've closed deals worth millions while wearing sweatpants, and I've taught hundreds of people how to stop leaving money on the table and start stacking wins like they're playing Monopoly. But here's the thing. Negotiation isn't about being a loudmouth or a bully. It's about being so slick they don't even realize you just walked away with the whole damn pie. And today, I'm going to teach you how to do that without getting blacklisted from family gatherings. Let's go. Let me tell you something. Most people negotiate like it's a fight scene in a bad action movie. Just swinging punches, no strategy, and hoping for a knockout. Spoiler alert. That doesn't work. Best negotiators? They're not in a fight. They're running a heist. They're Danny Ocean in Ocean's 11, but instead of stealing millions from a casino, they're walking away with the whole deal, while the other person thinks, wow, I really got them good. Here's the reality. You can do this too. All it takes is some Jedi mind tricks, a little confidence, and maybe a sprinkle of savage energy. Buckle up, because we're diving in. Here's the first rule of negotiation. Compromise is for losers. Yeah, I said it. Meeting in the middle is weak. You know what meeting in the middle really means? It means you both just took an L. Imagine you're buying a car. They want 20K, you want 15K, and you say, let's meet at 17.5. Congratulations, you both suck. Instead, you say, let's do 15K and throw in those fancy heated seats. And don't just argue logic. Use emotion. People don't buy with their brains, they buy with their feelings. You don't need a better argument. You need a better vibe. Be cool, be confident, and let them feel like they're winning while you're taking everything. Look, showing up to a negotiation unprepared is like showing up to a wedding unshowered. You're just embarrassing yourself. Here's what you do. 1. Write down your goals. They are likely objections. And 3 zingers that'll make them question their life choices. 2. Practice with someone. Your friend, your dog, a plant. I don't care. The point is to rehearse until you sound like Denzel Washington giving a courtroom speech. 3. Visualize the win. Seriously, see yourself walking out of the room like Jordan after the 96 finals. Confidence sells. Remember that. Okay, let's talk about tactical empathy. You ever meet someone and think, wow, they really get me? Be that person. Step 1. Label their emotions. Like, it seems like price is really a sticking point for you. Translation, you're mad, and I know it. Step 2, mirror their words. It's basically karaoke for their brain. So you need this by next Tuesday? Boom, they feel heard, and now they're eating out of your hands. Step 3, ask killer questions like, how am I supposed to make that work? You just put the ball in their court. Watch them fumble while you sip your coffee. Your voice is like a superpower. Use it wrong, and you're an awkward mess. Use it right, and you're Batman. Here's how. Use your late night DJ voice. Deep, calm, and unshakable. How do we make this work? Bam, you sound like you already won. And then, shut up. Seriously, zip it. This silence will make them squirm, and they'll talk themselves into your deal. Silence is golden. Awkward, but golden. In negotiation, leverage is everything. It's the difference between eating ramen and eating steak. You want to look like the alpha? Start high. Anchor the conversation. If you're negotiating salary, you don't say, I'd like $80,000. You say, I was thinking $120,000 with Fridays off and a company car. Watch them stutter as you take control. And when they push back, you say, well, I'm just basing this on market value. Boom! Leverage achieved. Now, let's take it to the big leagues. Jedi mind tricks. First, aim for, that's right, not you're right. When they say that's right, it means they're on your team. Second, use laws aversion. People hate losing more than they love winning. Frame your offer like, if we don't do this now, you're leaving thousands on the table. Fear of loss beats hope of gain every time. Here's the thing. Negotiation isn't just for boardrooms. It's for life. You're always negotiating. Want your partner to watch your Netflix pick? Negotiate. Want a discount on that overpriced latte? Negotiate. The more you practice, the more this becomes second nature. And don't fear the word no. No just means convince me harder, daddy. Stay calm, stay chill, and remember, the coolest head always wins. So there you have it. Negotiation isn't about yelling, arguing, or being a jerk. It's about playing the game so well, they don't even realize you're running circles around them. Follow these tips, and not only will you walk away with the deal, you'll still get invited to the Christmas dinner. Probably with some extra floor mats.